This question is Strobogrammatic number. So you given a string num, and then you want to return true if a num is a Strobogrammatic. And then how do you do this? It's pretty straightforward. So the Strobogrammatic number is the number you do the same when you rotate 180. So 1 is equal to 1, 8 is equal to 8, 0 is equal to 0. 6 is equal to 9, and 9 is equal to 6. So this is the the pattern, right? So basically we just store into the map, and then so we store everything this into the map, and then basically we count the number from the beginning and the end, and to compare if they are the same. If they do, then just keep moving. So this go to the right, this go to the left, and then return false if they are not matched, right? So here is the solution. So I'm putting the character into my map. So map equal to new HashMap character, and I initialize my map.of. So I'm putting the key and values by pattern. So 0, comma 0. This is the first one. 1, comma 1. And then this is going to be 8, comma 8. 6, comma 9. 9, comma 6. So this is how you put into the map, and then we can traverse. So before we traverse, we need to set the index. J equal to num.length -1. So while I less than equal to j, right? So we can compare. So it's going to be chart. I'm going to say x equal to num.chart at ai, y equal to num.chart at j. So if I get this chart in my map, which is equal to the y, then I will continue, right? If not, then I will just pass. But also I only put 0, 1, 8, 6, and 9 into my map as a key. If there are 2 or 3 inside my string, and my map I get x will become null, right? And then I will just return false. This is not this is not a valid key inside my map, right? Alright, so there's another condition if they are not the same. So if get x that's not equal to y, we return false, right? And then we increment our I and decrement our j. And then you return true at the end. So there should be there should be my answer like this. Oh man, so I initialize my map, and so this will be the answer. Alright, so I was accidentally didn't be aware of my parentheses, but whatever. Run it. Submit. Alright, so a little bit update for the solution. I can increment my I and j, increment I, decrement j on here, because this is the I still get a current chart, and I increment my index for the next chart. So I'm gonna run it, submit. Alright, so time and space, straightforward. This is space. I would say constant, but if you want to keep this as a space, definitely there is a small space for space complexity, but whatever. And this is going to be like all of n. I mean, it's n over 2, but it's actually all of n. So this is a solution. There's another solution which is shorter. Just copy and paste. So if you remember 0011886696, so it's actually what? 6996. But if you combine, then it's 6996 into 696. It actually works. So just still you are I equal to 0, j equal to length minus 1, and then you compare, are they you combine together, are they inside list string? If so, then you will continue the next iteration, and then if not, you will return false, because this is the negation if they are not inside the string. Alright, so in this one, time and space is constant, right? And then time, this is what, all of them, right? But when you use the contain, right, you actually traverse this string every single iteration, and I would say this is like all of all of 10, 4, 6, 9, 12, something like this. So all of 12 every single iteration. This is why you have a little bit runtime on your solution, but I would say it's going to be extremely the same to all of them. But yeah, so both solution actually doable. Just pick your favorite, and if you still have a question, leave a comment. I will see you next time. Bye.